Meaning of electronic.
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 Electronic. The term electronic refers to devices, circuits or systems that operate using electrons. It is a branch of physics that deals with the behavior and control of electrons, particularly in semiconductors and vacuum tubes. The development of electronic technology has revolutionized various industries such as communication, entertainment, healthcare, and manufacturing. Today, electronic devices are ubiquitous in our daily lives, from smartphones to laptops, from television sets to medical equipment. They have made our lives more convenient, productive, and entertaining by providing efficient, fast and reliable ways of processing and transmitting information.